Hey guys, what's up, Jason here. Today is Tuesday, August 28th, 2018. Alright guys, little update here. Well, this is not an update, this is an actual storm video. Guys, we have a very strong line of thunderstorms moving in from the south, or west-southwest right now, guys. I apologize for the wind sound, the microphone, I'm trying to block it. There's like over 800 lightning strikes on the leading edge of this storm, so it's a very strong cell, well, line of storms. And I'm just starting to hear thunder. We've just been issued under a severe thunderstorm warning for something that I didn't read in time because I wanted to get out here and start filming, so we'll see what happens. It's about 90 degrees, dew point's about 74. And this is only round one. We have another round expected tonight with the actual front, the actual cold front. So yeah, hopefully this goes well. These ought to have a lot of thunder and lightning. Like I said, this wind's gonna be a problem. We're not moving too terribly fast. Plane. Some odd looking clouds there. Take a look kind of toward the south. This is southwest where they're approaching from. Yeah, the lightning is really picking up with these things, as you can hear. Ooh, it's an east wind. Wow. The guy on the TV just said these weren't severe, but we were put under a watch or a warning. I didn't read it. I'll put it in the description. Hey, buddy. If that lighting gets too close, I'm going to have to go up by the end of the garage. I'm seeing some really black skies over here. Look at this. Ouch. Walking backwards. About as good as a view I can get right here. Wish it was nighttime, we could see these flashes easily. Oh Lord, hear the locusts start. Jerks. Whoa. This could be the best storms of the year. I might be able to film here. We'll see. Some really interesting cloud formations going on. Yeah, if that gets much closer, we're going in. I'm standing by a metal building. Whoa! Shit. Aiming the camera south, guys. Yeah. If I had a tripod, I'd set it up, but I don't. I'll go up here and stand on the porch. I'm off to my south. I'm gonna have to get that more in here. Wow. Okay. We're in the garage now. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna go put this in my